The Power of Discipline: How to Use Self-Control and Mental Toughness to Achieve Your Goals, by Daniel Walter, is a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of self-discipline and achieving success in any area of life. The book explores the idea that self-discipline is the key to achieving success and reaching your goals, and provides a step-by-step guide to developing the mental toughness and self-control needed to overcome obstacles and stay on track. Walter's writing is clear and concise, and he backs up his advice with research and real-life examples. He covers a wide range of topics including goal setting, time management, motivation, and overcoming procrastination. He also provides practical strategies and techniques for building self-discipline and maintaining it in the long run. One of the strengths of the book is its emphasis on the importance of self-discipline and mental toughness in achieving success. The author provides a clear and actionable plan for developing these traits and provides practical strategies for overcoming obstacles and staying focused on your goals. However, some readers may find that the book is overly prescriptive, and the author's approach may not resonate with everyone. Overall, The Power of Discipline: How to Use Self-Control and Mental Toughness to Achieve Your Goals, is a valuable resource for anyone looking to achieve success in any area of life. It provides a clear and actionable plan for developing self-discipline and mental toughness, and is filled with practical strategies and techniques for achieving your goals. I highly recommend it and give it 4 out of 5 stars. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.